Hello everyone. I wanted to come on here today to show you my newest embellishment kit that I'm getting ready to put in my shop. This bag I purchased from Etsy, and the shop is called A Paper Bag, and I really love this bag. It's like a really soft paper on the outside, and then it's lined with a glassine bag, so it's really nice and thick. I just like the way it feels, and of course it's pink, so I had to order some. The bottom, I just put some sari silk and then some of this little, it's almost like eyelash trim, but it's softer. I'm not sure what the trim's actually called. I purchased this from Denise at A Tattered Dream, and I really like it. It's just, it's some type of a yarn. It's almost, like I said, it's almost like eyelash trim, but softer, if that makes sense. I put some fabric in a doily and a little mini envelope I made. And the kit that I used is from Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah. This is the Beauty Flair, and I just cut out bits and pieces of parts of the kit that I wanted to use. And I made this altered paper clip, which I love. It's just so pretty. It's just so dainty. And so I'm going to show you what I got in here. I have two of the corner flips, and the pages are coffee dyed, the doilies are coffee dyed and distressed around. And then there's one of Tina's butterflies and some more of that. Let me show you. Get it here. I don't know what it's called. I know it's not eyelash trim, but this is what it looks like. And it's in Denise's shop. It's just real soft and fluffy. But I've got that there. So there's two of those. And then I made two tags. Just put some lace on there and distressed around the edges. There's some lace here with a ticket, a little mini envelope, and then one of her flowers. And then this one has got one of her little die cuts, I guess, that you just fussy cut out, and then one of her flowers up there, the little pink rose. Just topped it with some lace. There are two library cards that's been stained, and they have been distressed, and I used like I think it's tattered rose or something, distress, and put the two roses on each side, so you have one on each side of the page if you want to change it around that way. And then there's doilies there. And this, I love the way this turned out, so I'm going to be making more. And I actually have one other one already made. This is an envelope that I made with a book page, and the only thing I wish I would have sewn around it, but I forgot. So the other ones I think I'll sew around to make them sturdier, but I just put some lace on the flap here and decorated the front up here, and it's got some sari silk, some more of that trim, one of her large butterflies. This is one of her journaling cards, and then a doily on there. In the back I didn't decorate, because what I thought you could do is just hang it over a page like this, and then you would see the lace on one side and then all the collaging on the other, if that makes sense. And then here is a guest check, which I should have two here, so there it is. On this one, I made this so it would just go down and be adhered to the page like this, and you could make a pocket this way. Instead of using this side, I use this side so you could focus more on the print. And that's one of her little belly bands, and I just put some crochet trim and then one of her journaling cards in there. So you could just adhere it like on this side and then use that as a tug. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Here's another guest check, and I used it this way. And I just put some seam binding, the pink seam binding, some lace, one of her butterflies, and then one of her stamps. And this has been coffee dyed also. And lastly, we have, actually we got two pockets here. So this is one of the book page pockets that I made in one of my previous videos. And this is one of her butterflies, some more of that real pretty trim, a doily, one of her tickets, or tags, I'm sorry. Then I made this tag here, just put one of her roses at the top. And then here is one of the coffee filter pockets that I made. And I put one of her little cards here, back some lace behind it, and one of the little miniature envelopes. And I used the, what is that? It's not a tattered rose. What is it called? Let me see here. It's called Victorian Velvet. That's the distress ink I used, Victorian Velvet. And so I just distressed around that to give it more of a pink feel. And then I just added some ephemera. In the first pocket here, there is a ticket and some of Tina's ephemera from her kit. And then in the back, we have 2 tags. We've got this one here, and I added one of her butterflies to the top of that, and then just added some lace. So it's kind of like a little 3D butterfly on there. And then this one, I just put one of her butterflies at the top and added one of her images, and it's distressed around. So this will be listed in my Etsy shop if you are interested. And I'm going to try to come back with 2 more videos today. I have a journal flip through I want to do, and I want to get it in my Etsy shop. And then I have some Happy Mail that I would like to open and show you guys that I received from Laura. So if you're interested, jump on Etsy. This will be in there. And just a quick update, but I'm going to be doing some more fabric washing, and I'm actually going to do a tutorial on, or a, I guess, process video on how I actually make mine. So if you're interested in learning how to make your own, then stay tuned. That will be coming up probably next week, if not this weekend. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.